arrange miracles for inside the Igbo land. They say hand don dey meet them. Oh, my people, no be small thing. Oh, I want make you watch this video from beginning to end. May you see wetin dey go on. Do you know what the latest business in Southeast now? That if you go for Southeast, every corner now church, everywhere church, everywhere church, everywhere church. What is happening? How many demons are we fighting? Still yet, things where they happen for inside our various villages still they happen. I want may you watch this video. May you see how hand to take meet those ones. And now so you go meet all the whole RNGs waiting for Igbo land. Watch the video before we come back and continue. Don't forget to see it for Balabas G's.
RNG miracle. And this one whose eye is like half past 4 is the person that organizes and employs all these people. While this one keeps record of everybody that is brought there and how much they are paid. Where is that their book? It's here. So you people help to deceive people, and the people will be going to the church believing that the people are doing miracle, and then at the end of the day they end up deceiving them. They will pay tithes, and the pastor will be making so much money. Hey, oh my God. Look at there. Eh? And how much they are paid? This one they pay more. Oh my God.
Yesterday, Tuesday, Tata Kawaja.
Christmas. And this is how you see all this miracle in churches. Miracle. Okay. Miracles. These are the people that help to deceive people that their prayers have been answered. And people will be rushing to the church. You secretary, is this your book? This is your book. This is your writing. You are the one that records all these people names. It's your job to pay them when they have gone to deceive people. Eh? Okay, but you are the one that records the.
Yeah, that is the person. He's like
yeah, what is your own work? Yeah.
My name is Promise.
Eh?
My name is Promise.
Promise what?
Promise Nana.
Eh? From where?
From Imo State.
Eh?
Imo State.
Where in Imo? I want to know the name of your town. Your people will see you.
Okay.
So that they know what you do. When you tell them you are going for Oluoyibo, you end up in Umpo. And then you'll be going from church to church, deceiving people, doing a false miracle. Then the church will be growing. People will be paying money to pastor. Which one did you do?
Some work by the work.
Some work. Which one did you do? You did not tell me the
Manifest.
name. What's the name of your town?
Mbise.
Where in Imo?
Mbise.
Mbise. Where in Mbise? Mbise has many places. Where in Mbise?
Lodge.
Eh?
Lodge, Obala.
Obwala. Obwala.
Yes, sir.
Where in Obwala? Obwala is a big town.
Obwala Junction, Mbise.
Mbise people see your picking though. Now, boy, they go do miracle.
My name is Angel Livanusa from Cross River State.
Yes. Where in Cross River?
Okoja, Africa 1.
Eke 1.
Africa 1.
Africa 1.
Yes. I just came back today. I'm living in Agbo. I came back today. After I came back, so I was training one boy in that place at Ogina side. So I went to collect my batteries. Then teach me.
Are you not part of these people?
I'm coming.
Don't tell me too many stories. I don't want too many stories.
So they now tell me that there is work. I should come and join them. So yeah. I went to One Touch. I don't know the name of the pastor, but they used to call him One Touch. So when I went there, the man did not tell me that I am married 3 men at once. I say yes, that is the only work that I do.
And they paid you money?
It's only 3,000, sir.
You too, come.
So my name is David Alex.
What did you do? David from where?
I'm from Cross River State.
Where in Cross River?
Atabon in Koja.
Yes.
So I doing the same work based on I don't know what to do.
Yeah.
So they went there, they give prophecy, I claim it. So later we go back.
You go back and you give testimony
so
that the testimony has worked.
Yeah, so they give me they pay me 3,000 naira.
Oh, sorry for all of you. Sorry.
My people, I don't hear them. This thing many homes don't scatter because of these things. Problem everywhere because of this thing. RNG miracle. I don't know why people are so desperate. It's just like this thing they are drinking now, they're calling the bitter. I don't know why. What did they use to produce all those things they are drinking? But we are going to do video for that one for another day. We are investigating what they used to do that thing and the consequences he will cause in his body. I will bring it out here for everybody to see what they are drinking. So let us talk about this. Let us talk about this RNG in Igbo land, because the thing is too much. Every corner church. When you go to China, every corner is industry. People are working hard. Families are coming together. What they will be their innovation. What are they going to be producing? Each family have what they know them for in China. But on our own, now it's native doctor. After native doctor, it will become a fake pastors. How are we going to help our chef? Are we even thinking about our future? Are we doing to eat now? So these people that do this RNG, hand go meet all of una. Hand go meet all of una. I want you to watch this video that I'm going to show you right now for you to see waiting our brothers from Igala, the message where they don't pass, give the Igbos. And waiting they talk. He explained what happened during the war. So if you are alive that time, let us know. For waiting this our brother talk, inaccurate or no. Stay tuned and watch the video before we come back and continue.
Either is 90% Igbo. If the Igalas can realize that Igbos are their immediate brothers, and the Igbos can see the Igalas as their next of kings, that they are kingmakers in Igala land, and all of us embrace each other and we start reasoning together. Nigeria is for us. See, the relationship between Igalas and Igbos ended during the war, the Afghan war. We grew up to know Igbo people in our house. There are so many houses if you go to Ajaka today that belong to Igbo people. We have no difference between go to these places. I will show you Igbo people's houses, which they have to abandon and run during the war. That war costs a lot of things. And what does it cost? When the Igbos are agitating for the Biafra, the Igalas were not carried along. It's from Ogulugu that after we go and perform the last ritual before coming to Ida. In our house at Sabongiri, there is no year you don't see Igbo tenants in our house. Ask of the town called Imere. They are Igbo people. Go to Kenya, Polytechnic Secondary School, those people there, they are Igbos. That town there, the whole of those areas, they are Igbo people. Kenya. What is supposed to be Okenya, and they made it Kenya. Their burial is Igbo burial. They call themselves Igbo people. But they are as old as Igbo. After here, up here, that is Igbo land. So now is there you get Aku. They were the first people to bring Aku to this place. And what people here, they are Igbo. In those days, this Ohimini, this River Niger, it was the children born to attach children by Igbos and control it. They call it Amom Anam. Anam is also those people was the place where Aka married that woman from. But the meaning of Anam in Igala language is my in-law.
So what do you call the market date here?
It's the same Afo, Unko, Eke, Ede. Igala is a nation. Igbo is the part of Igala. Yes, the elites were Igbos. So the elites now saw it that they can easily run over the whole of this area and it becomes their own. They didn't carry these people along. And when the war broke out, these people were the real warriors in the Nigerian army. Olane, Amele, the middle belters, everybody know them for military. Enter police, you see them, you know they are okay. So because they are not carried along, the Northerners now came. I said, these people, you want to go with them or you come with us? Some of them who are Muslims too, because of that solidarity, they now created a big barrier between the Igbos and the Igalas.
My wonderful people, welcome back as you don't watch that video. And I don't see them. So Igbos are everywhere in Nigeria. And the why Nigeria don't want Igbo people to be free is that when we become free as a Biafra, we will go for our brothers. We will set them free. They will be free. They will rejoin with their brothers, and they don't want this thing to happen. That is why I see them fighting every now and then to make sure that the actualization of Biafra does not come to pass. But in your back, it will come to pass. And all these churches they build everywhere, we will serve God, but not this way. Europe that brought this church to us, you will not see church everywhere like this. Each community have their church. Each communities have their church. You can't open church anywhere you like. contribute to the economy so that your children will see food to eat. Not opening fake church, not even real fake ones. We can't tolerate this in our land. Please share this video and drop your own opinion for more updates like this.